This is a transmission at the request of the Atlanta Police Department. Residents of Cobb County, lock all doors immediately. There is an unknown vehicle that was spotted near Anderson Street. Details about this cannot be provided at this time. For safety precautions, seek shelter immediately as this is likely a dangerous situation. Grab all family members and move somewhere safe. Do not approach the vehicle as failure to this may lead to death. Keep silent. This is not a test. Take cover now.
We interrupt this program for a civil danger alert. At 9:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the unknown vehicle was now spotted near Paper Mill Road. Western and eastern areas of Atlanta, please take caution, as the vehicle had spreaded fires across buildings in Anderson Street. Stay away from these areas. It is likely that the vehicle had split into three, but it was not confirmed. If so, it may impact the following areas in Georgia: Duluth and Macon. In Tennessee, Chattanooga. Take cover now. This is not a test. All listeners should evacuate immediately. Do not wait. There is a dangerous situation going on and is life-threatening. Evacuate routes are Atlanta Interstate 75, Atlanta Interstate 20, Atlanta State Route 70, Atlanta State Route 120. Evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now.